Do you know many people are having trouble with their HP Sprocket Select printing blank pages? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check LED status. Check the status LED on your HP Sprocket. Select for any red blinking lights indicating an error. Step 2. Use correct paper. Ensure you are using genuine HP Sprocket photo paper, loaded with a glossy side facing up. Step 3. Clear paper jams. Inspect for paper jams and clear them gently, following prompts in the Sprocket app. Step 4. Verify power source. Check that your printer is connected to a working power source or has sufficient battery charge. Step 5. Reset the printer. Reset the printer by turning it off, unplugging, waiting a few seconds, and turning on again. By following these steps, your HP Sprocket Select should now print correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.